Hello and welcome to Samurai Day Trading Trade of the Day. Fred here, going to run through the trade with you on this 26th day of March 2026. And we just got done with U.S. Closed Live Trading Room, and here's a trade taken in the room today. So we look at what are we looking for? We're looking for our strong candle indicator. You see all of our strong candle indicators have paid somewhat targets except for this one, and we never got involved in this one because we always wait for the retrace first. So the strong candle indicator is one of our favorite ways to take a trade. It says it's pointing down and it's red saying take the trade short towards the bottom of the screen. That's what we're going to do. So we look over at the PVI. I expect the next candle to be somewhere between 90 and 120 ticks in length. We'll pair that to our ATM. We'll use our larger ATMs. We'll go for 20s, 50s, and 100s. We'll de-risk the trade at 21 and see if we can get our runners. And that's pretty much what we do on a daily basis. So let's go ahead and start this off. We have a nice little retrace to get into the trade, and here we go. Boom. Now, first thing we got to do is put our stop where it belongs, the last major failure point. Once we hit a 20 tick target, we will de-risk the trade to minus 18. That'll be a break-even position. And there we go. See how the stop went from all the way to the top down here? This is break-even because we've gotten 2 times 20. We're 40 ticks into profit. Our stop is at minus 18. Now, if it does come back and take us out at break even, we have a chance to re-enter if that's what we think is in our best interest. So now we're just going to sit tight and wait and see if we can get our other targets. Let's speed it up a bit so we're not here all day. And here we go. Not much else to say about it. We're in the trade. We're trying to get our second target out. Boom, second target's out. We can't lose any money in this trade. We are 90 ticks ahead in profit. We have one stop at 8 minus 18. So obviously we can only make money from this point on. It's just how much money are we going to make at this point? Boom, hundreds are out, and boom, that trade took a little over 3 minutes, 3 minutes and 20 seconds, and was worth 970 US dollars. So if you want to learn how to make 970 US dollars in 3 minutes, join us at samuraidaytrading.com. That's samuraidaytrading.com. Look forward to seeing you in the LTR real soon. God bless you, and we'll see you next time.